Can you have too many can or puck lights in the ceiling? I think you can, but obviously some designers think that more is better. I walked into this one room, and it was maybe 8 to 10 feet wide, might be 10 feet wide, and about 25 feet long. They had 18 ceiling lights, puck lights. That's ridiculous, in my opinion. The lighting, I don't know, it seems almost like an operating room. It seems harsh. Everything, there's no shadows. Everything is just kind of lifeless and flat. So I'll show you what I did, because I just detest puck lights except for certain spaces. So I'll show you the antique and vintage lights that I took and I upgraded with different bulbs that gives me, in my opinion, it's a better light. There is some shadows. It's not lifeless, and it doesn't look like a hospital operating room. So there's the kitchen ceiling light. I'm going to turn it on, and that's got the 200 watt Corn LED. And that lights up the entire kitchen. Now in the add-on part of the kitchen, where the ceiling is much taller, we've got one of these industrial halophane lights from the 30s or 40s. And again, it's got a LED light in it. I believe it's 125 watt. There is our J.C. Verdon light. It's got a 60 watt LED in it. And 3 of those light our living room. That's the original light that was in the house in 41. I just redid the base and put a modern bulb in it. I used 60 watt because they would have used a 60 watt incandescent, and I wanted it to look roughly like it is supposed to, like I remember it as a kid. Also in the living room is an original Torchiere light. So what I did was I took the original incandescent bulbs out and I put some 2 watt 2700K Philips candelabra bulbs and get the adapter to bush them up to the regular A19. And then in the center light, the big one, that is a 50, 100, 150 LED. That one is a daylight. When you really need a lot of light, I decided to go with the 6000 Kelvin daylight as opposed to 2700. Here's what the bathroom light looks like with twin 60 Cray LEDs. And in the bedroom, there's our J.C. Verdon blue light. Same bulb, lights up the entire bedroom. Now out on the porch, we fitted a couple of the old gas station lights. These are originals with green and white porcelain, not the new painted style. Inside, we've got a 60 watt Cray LED, and this is what it looks like when it's on. Also on the porch, we took a couple of the old porcelain sconces and put in some 1 watt LED lights, and at night they light up so that the porch has a little bit of ambient light if you're going in and out at night. This is another one of the gas station lights, except it has an industrial guard on it, and it's got a 100 watt LED in it. I think it's a Cray. and that lights up our mudroom. But don't listen to me. Feel free to tear out the original American-made lights that were steel and glass and replace them with genuine imitation plastic and built-in Chinesium LED light sources that can't be replaced, and when they burn out, you've got to toss the entire light fixture.